Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the membership options. In this video, we will discuss about the finance one. So, in the finance option, you can see all invoices are there on all invoices section. So, the payment which has made by the members will be shown in this particular section. At the top, you can see the summarized version of each and every payment, like the fresh payment, renewals payment, due payments, and the total amount which has been collected yet. Okay. So particular, if I take an example of Parth, if you want to select and if you want to send any email to Parth or any invoice of Parth, you can directly send the email from here by clicking on this email option. And if you want to see that, you can see that invoice has been sent. So automatically on the registered email ID, the invoice will be shared. And if you want to print any invoice or see invoice of Parth, so you can directly click on this I button and you can see the invoice of the Parth, like the amount paid and the amount balance which is due right now, which is 3,659, have to still pay by the member. And you can see here the subtotal of 20,000 and the GST which is applied and the grand total which is 23,659. So all the details of the invoice will be mentioned here. You can download this invoice by clicking on this download PDF. You can also send invoice to the path on the registered Gmail. Yes, that's all the invoice section is. You can also search it out and filter it out on the basis of these particular options. Okay. Okay, now if I come on the expense section, you can see here total expenses are there, rent expenses there. You can also categorize each and every expense by clicking on this particular select category. And if you want to see the rent options only, the rent which you have paid for the gym, you can directly click on this particular select category and on rent. And here you will see all the payments related with the rent. If you want to see the payment, you can add expense from this particular option by clicking add the amount, then expense date, which is a current date only, and you can also create for the previous date also. Okay, select the category and payment mode you can set, which is cash, bank transfer, each and everything, and you can directly add expense. It will be updated on this particular option here, and you can directly click on this rent also, so you can see all the amount which is related to the rent. Now if I come to the attendance, if I come on the attendance option, so attendance section shows how many members are present today and how many members are absent today. Right now, if you can see, the total members are 22, the present members are 0 because I have not updated yet. If I mark one of them as attended, so it will be updated as 1. Present members are 1, absent members are 21. You can also update the status of absent members or the present members with the help of biometrics. You can directly click on this present member. So all the members which are present will be shown here, absent staff also and present staff also. If there is any need to mark down the attendance of a particular member, you can mark it down manually also. And by clicking on this three dot, you can also call that person that why he is not present, or you can contact him from here, from WhatsApp. You can renew the details of that person, extend the due date and the payment dues. You can also use this search button for searching a particular member, whether he is present or not, rather than going up this particular option, which is you have to click on this particular member and 816 members are there. So this is that one. Without even doing that, you can click on the particular search option. Then if I search Vishwajit, then automatically Vishwajit will come and the basic member active, and you can directly contact that person from here by on this number. That's all the finance section is about the attendance, expenses, and invoice. I have covered all these three aspects of finance. So hope you have liked this video, and thank you for choosing Zenforce. Have a great day.